Welcome to the Volunteer House. Today we'll be showing you around our home, outdoor living spaces and the garden. So most people enter their house with a pebble walkway, pebble path, or if you're in a city, it's just a door with a hook for holding up coats, or something like that. Well, I wanted a water feature on the property, so I thought a river would be kind of cool. Obviously we need a bridge to cross the river and enter the property. Here we go. To the left is the research centre, but today we'll be focusing on the volunteer house. On the walkway to the house, you may see a cool bird, squirrels, even monkeys if you're really lucky. Okay, so let's start with some rooms.
Get out and leave me!
This is the frog room. The jaguar room. Lizard room. Dolphin room. Kawachi room. Woolly spider monkey room. And a hummingbird room. Here's the toucan room. Another shared room with a bathroom in it. There are also 2 shared bathrooms. Let's head into the kitchen area, where we've got shelves for each and every volunteer, and a nice big kitchen table, and a cooking area to whip up some mean pasta. This is the living room with nice spacious sofas and a retractable plasma TV. Great for movie nights. Outside is the veranda, made from the finest wood a AI can buy. We've got a barbecue grill where we can make the classic Brazilian churrasco, but we've also got veggie skewers for those super cool veggies and vegans. Okay, let's check out the pool! Here you can read, play guitar, have a little jam, go for a swim, or simply have a nice chat with your friends. And lastly, the garden. We've got a vegetable patch, an aquarium with turtles, and just the 60 hectares of forest. Okay, that's all folks. Thanks for checking out the volunteer house, and we can't wait to see you.